Midjourney version 5.2 now allows you to zoom out in your pictures by 1.5 to 2 times. And here's how you do it. In the original picture, I put down the prompt, photo of an army of Chinese soldiers in the Ming Dynasty on a battlefield. And from here, this is what it comes out. And this time, I'm going to use this picture as a demonstration. The first thing to do is to enhance the image. On the bottom here, you see there are 3 options: zoom out 2 times, zoom out 1.5 times, or custom zoom. So if I pick this one, zoom out 2 times, that's going to create 4 images like what you normally would get. So personally, I think I'm gonna go with this one. This one has this guy here open his mouth, looks like he's gonna be like ready for battle, so looks a little more action-packed, so I'm gonna try this one. And then, oops, and here you can pick the one that you want, and that's going to repeat the process. And once you get the enhanced version, you're going to zoom out again, and this time I'm going to try 1.5. Okay, so for this job, it's actually going to be zooming out 2 times because for some reason the 1.5 times did not work. Okay, you click on it and see which one that you like. You can see the center image is still here and everything else has been added on. And you can pretty much do this almost infinitely. And I haven't tried it yet, but if you have tried to do this 3, 4, even 6, or even 10 times, feel free to leave a comment and let us know about what you think of it. So let's try this image here. And custom zoom allows you to zoom in between the numbers of 0 to 2. So instead of putting 1.5 or 2 as given in the prompt, you can use as little as 1.25, just a little bit more, and see what happens. As of right now, it allows you to zoom out up to 2 times. Anything more than 2, like 3, you're going to get an error message. Like this. The zoom value must be between 1.0 and 2.0. So that is it. If you have any questions regarding what you just saw here, leave a comment. I'll do my best to respond. Have fun with it.